A car taking a turn at high speed flips over and comes to a stop. On a busy street, a careless woman is hit by a motorcycle from behind and falls to the ground. A car suddenly deciding to make a turn is hit from behind, revealing its mistake. A cement truck running a red light crashes into a car and comes to a stop. A speeding motorcycle crashes into a man trying to cross a highway. A car waiting at a red light is hit by another car speeding from behind. A speeding motorcyclist collides with a car that suddenly cuts in front. A car crashes into the barriers to avoid hitting a vehicle ahead and struggles to stop. A driver making a last-minute turn fails to take the curve. A reckless car entering the road collides with a motorcycle. On a rainy day, a car suddenly entering the road lightly damages a passing minibus. A very careless car driver is hit by a motorcyclist on the road. A motorcycle crashes into a pedestrian crossing the road at a crosswalk. Drivers making illegal U-turns cause an accident and flee the scene. A car crashing into a truck stopped at a crosswalk pays the price for its carelessness. A driver losing control crashes into a parked car and comes to a stop. A car speeding across a train track crashes and flees the scene. Two careless drivers suddenly crash into each other. A reckless car driver opens their door, causing a motorcycle to collide. A car hits a motorcyclist who stopped for a pedestrian. A vehicle entering an uncontrolled intersection crashes into another car at high speed. flipping over. A car running a red light crashes into a motorcyclist. A driver deciding to turn at the last moment can't avoid hitting the barriers. A driver losing control on a slippery road ends up in the middle of the street. Two careless drivers collide head-on in a narrow street. A car driver hits a motorcyclist traveling in the wrong direction. A car collides with a taxi and later crashes into a motorcycle. A speeding pickup truck climbs onto the sidewalk and tips over. A car running a red light can't avoid an accident. Cars involved in an accident barely avoid being crushed under a truck.